Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Stitch Fix box for this month. So I feel like this one actually came a little bit sooner than I was expecting. I don't know if I accidentally changed the date or something, but for those of you who haven't seen my previous Stitch Fix unboxing, I am going to just leave my Stitch Fix playlist linked above. But I ended up purchasing this shirt jacket. I think it's called like a shacket or whatever. I actually didn't know that. Some of you were mentioning it in the comments and I was like, oh, that's what that is, a shirt jacket. I'm actually gonna leave this link down below as well just because I love it so much. It's actually been like transitioning to the spring here. It's still really cold, so this was just the perfect essential to have. I just got really excited about this one because I just haven't purchased anything from Stitch Fix in such a long time. Very quickly, I like to mention that I prefer Chunk Club over Stitch Fix. Every now and then we'll get a really nice basic like I did with that shirt jacket last month, but Chunk Club is just a better fit for me. So if you are like very frustrated with Stitch Fix or you're just not getting the boxes that you want, I am going to leave my Chunk Club and my Stitch Fix referral links down below, just depending on which one you think works best for you. I'm going to leave my Chunk Club playlist up there as well, just because I get so many amazing things in my Chunk Club. I always link everything down in my description box, just in case you see something that you want to add to your closet. So I always try to make sure to do that for you if I can find them. Sometimes the things that I find through Stitch Fix, I can't find, and you can only get them through Stitch Fix. I'll do my best. But if this is your first time here to my channel, I hope you feel welcome and enjoy this video. And if you are interested in seeing more like this, don't forget to subscribe. I do have a new video for you every Monday and Friday. All of my content is about romantic fashion, styling videos, unboxings like this one, clothing hauls. So don't forget to subscribe and then click that little notification bell as well. That will just remind you every time I share a video. This is the return shipping label if I want to send anything back. You also get an envelope with all the pricing information, the note from the stylist, and all that. I'm going to check to see where our stylist is at the end of the video and then just go through the prices just so that we can have fun unboxing it and not worry about how expensive it is just yet. Just one package today and it looks like it's all clothes. A random rubber band, not sure where that came from. Ooh, we got some jewelry. Maybe I'll start with this. Oh, this is so cute. It's a bracelet. It's a very dainty piece. It's got like white flowers and then a purple stone in the middle. Very feminine. I love my dainty jewelry pieces. And it has a little heart that adjusts the size. But I don't know, Kate Spade is going to end up being a little bit expensive. I'm not necessarily looking to spend money on jewelry at the moment. I'm really looking for staple pieces. Okay, so this is a pair of jeans. They are in the ankle straight. I think these are going to be a little cropped, but it does have like the frayed edges. I don't know if I'm necessarily into frayed edges right now. I have mixed feelings about them, but I like them, but it has to be the right pair of jeans. Always must have stretch in my jeans in order for them to be comfortable. These do have a lot of stretch, but they're from a brand called Gen 7. Never heard of this brand. I really like that about Stitch Fix. I feel like they really have introduced me to some great jean brands. I'm gonna try these on right away, see how they fit. The quality, as of first impressions, feels really nice. I'm not sure how I feel about this crop style though. Like, I really like the crop styles in wide leg jeans. I'm not sure that I'm gonna like it in straight leg. I haven't tried it on yet, so I'm gonna go find out. Are definitely a little bit different than I would typically go for, but I do like them. The only issue that I have is that they are too short, so I would definitely need to at least get ones that are made for longer leg. I'm 5'11", so I mean that is a typical problem that I have, but I am wanting to try more mid-rise because of these. Like, these are so comfortable, and usually with mid-rise, like, I feel like they're gonna fall off. I like the high-rise because I feel secure in them, but I am honestly like okay with trying mid-rise again because these ones are comfortable. They don't like fall down when you sit down. Sometimes it's just really hard to get that length right just because of my height. I am so curious as to what this is because it's in the plaid. They are pants. I really like these. I'm just all about the plaid right now. I don't know why, but like pairing these with a lacy top or just like a bright colored or neutral color top, you can really get some very classy looks from these. I like the color combination in this because it has the orange, the deep blue and black in there, but they are cropped. They have a lot of stretch in them, which is really nice. And they are in the size 10 and they are from a brand called Tribal. I have a feeling I'm gonna really like these just because they're that easy pull-on style. There's no buttons or zippers. Don't have to worry about anything like that just because the nature of the material is very stretchy. I feel like with the plaid pants, you can really experiment with shoes and just come up with some fun, different work outfit looks. It is a lighter material, so I could definitely see it being perfect for the springtime. So I actually really like the look of these. The only thing is that they're a little bit too short and just slightly too snug. When I was putting them on, I could hear this stretching out a little bit and it just barely fit over my hips. But I like the outfit that I got from it, especially with this white blouse and shoes to kind of spice it up. These are from Trunk Club and then this is from Simple Retro. I really like the navy and then the red and orange combination. It's so cute. So like this would be a really fun work outfit if you're allowed to wear like crop styles like this. I would just need to get a little bit better fit. Even though these are stretchy, like they have plenty of stretch and they're very comfortable. I also keep thinking that these pants have pockets, but they don't. So that's another thing that I would love to see in a pair of pants like these. But yeah, just don't quite fit me, but I do like them. Next we have, not sure what this is. Okay. The pattern is florals, which is nice, but the style of this, I can tell you right now, is not going to be my thing. But if you like skirts like this, it is in that spandex material and the color is really pretty. It's like a deep maroon. I feel like I'm kind of over this color. I've been wearing it a lot for the fall. I definitely prefer to have some more cheerful, soft, feminine colors like pastels and stuff. I did get it in a size large, so I do think that the fit is going to be nice. It's just not going to be my style. I do also have a feeling that this is going to be overpriced. But I'm gonna go try it on and style it and try and come up with a cute look, and I will be back with the last thing in my box. So this skirt looks really nice paired with this top. Like honestly, like the top really makes the outfit in my opinion. The skirt is just, I think it's the length of the skirt. It just doesn't quite look the best. I do get like a flattering shape from it and it's very comfortable, but it's just not my style. I'm definitely gonna leave feedback on this too because I don't want to be getting stuff like this. I think it's the material maybe, or just like the length of it. I need something more adventurous, I think. It's like a really nice, stretchy, lightweight fabric. When I was putting this on, it was like ripping in the waistband. So I was like a little bit nervous about that, but it seems to be okay. I don't think I ripped anything. I think this is a dress. Yeah, see, this is in like too bold of a color. It's a pretty blue color, but I'm looking for pastels. And it has like the florals all over it, which is pretty. It's got like the maroon flowers on it. It is from 41 Hawthorne, and I do really enjoy items from that brand. They're very good quality. They do have a tendency to be expensive. I mean, for the quality, it is really good. I love the fit of the Hawthorne dresses, but most of the time, the style of the dress is too simple for me. I definitely prefer something a little bit more trendy and bright and cheerful and a little bit more out there. These ones are great and simple and basic for like work essentials and things like that. So overall, I think this dress is very flattering and I'm actually liking it a lot more in person than I was thinking, but I don't think like it's something that I would actually wear. Like I want something a little bit more trendy and like a little bit more flashy. This would be great for like a dress to wear to work or to office or something like that. I've definitely branched out into more of the trendy pieces, and this one is just a very basic classic piece. I really like the silhouette that I get with it, but it's not necessarily something that I'm looking for in my closet. I'm really trying to narrow everything down to exactly my style. This type of dress, I could definitely see it getting a lot of wear if you like this type of style. It's very simple. So now that we have talked about all the pieces that we got in this trunk, my goodness, I do that every time. Stitch Fix. Let's discuss the prices. I'm gonna see what my stylist was because I feel like they don't quite have my style down yet. Yeah, I can't remember who I had last time. Did I have Casey last time? I think I did. This fix unfortunately does not really reflect my style. The stylist in the note really did like try to look out for pieces. Because I told her like I'm looking for tulle, I'm looking for classic romantic pieces, dramatic sleeves, and she told me like there's nothing like that in their inventory. So I really feel like it's coming down to like the clothing that Stitch Fix has just doesn't fit my style. I can tell like the stylist tried. I feel like they just have limited options to work with, which is really weird because like in the shopping feature, I am finding so many things that are really fitting into my style, but I don't know if they offer them to the stylist or not. I don't know. Oh well, but I am gonna see what the prices say. It's always a scary part. First, the Kate Spade slider bracelet in yellow. This is $68. I was expecting that with Kate Spade. I don't need this right now, so I'm not going to get it, but it is really pretty. If you are looking for just a very delicate feminine bracelet, this one I would definitely wear. I do like it. I think it definitely does have some feminine romantic style to it. So the Gilly Morgan skirt, which was not quite my fancy, this one was $48, which is reasonable. I will say though that you can find them on ThredUp for really cheap. Just wanted to throw that out there. They have so many skirts like this, but if you like stuff like this, check ThredUp out. If you do like this one, I will try and leave it linked down below. I was expecting this to be really expensive, so I'm actually kind of surprised at that price. I'm definitely not going to buy it. Next, I have the Tribal Fia straight print pull-on. Let me try that again. The Tribal Fia straight print pull-on trouser in size 10, and these are $58. I mean, that's very reasonable for Stitch Fix. I am renting a pair of plaid pants from my NUULY that show my style a little bit better. So these ones I'm going to pass because I know I have something that I prefer a little bit better than these, but they are nice. They'd be great for work. Just like a really nice basic once again, but they are getting a little bit more adventurous with the plaid style. Next we have the 41 Hawthorne Celia sleeve detailed dress, and this is $74. For me, I wouldn't spend that on it because it's just not my style, but if you need a basic piece like this and you just want something that's going to last for a while, I like the soft material that 41 Hawthorne uses. It's very comfortable to wear. It just feels really nice on the skin. It's not irritating. So if you need like a basic work piece, I feel like they do have really great classic work wardrobe pieces to offer. Okay, and then last, the Gen 7 by 7 For All Mankind in the size 10, and these are $99. I don't have much of the cropped straight leg style just because I haven't really found myself interested so much in those as of yet. I did like them. I really liked the cute little ankle thing going on at the bottom. If I really liked the style of these, I know I would spend that on them. So if this is a style that you like, I think the quality is definitely worth it. And I mean, it's an investment piece for sure, but I would want a style that I know I would wear. Okay, so for this one, I feel like I just need to give my stylist some really good feedback, especially since I have a new one. Just let her know my style preferences. The stylist pick subtotal was $347. Subtract the 25% buy all discount, it'd be $86.75. The total purchase, if I bought everything, would be $260.25. Maybe I'll request some spring shoes because I feel like they've done really well with shoes in the past for the spring. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you very soon on Monday. No, Friday. Oh my goodness. And I will see you very soon in my next video.